In this video, you're going to learn how to get high-level emails out of the spam folder. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to answer that question by also answering these three questions. Number one, how to add a dedicated domain in HighLevel. Number two, how to add DNS records, your SPF, DKIM, MX, etc. to HighLevel or in HighLevel. And number three, how to add the new DMARC record. So let's hop out of here. We'll hop into my demo account in HighLevel. And let's go in through the process of adding a dedicated domain first and foremost. So right now we're in settings. The way you get there, in case you aren't familiar, if you're back here on dashboard, scroll down to the very bottom, click on settings, and then we're going to click on email services. And then inside of email services, we already have a dedicated domain added. But what we would normally do is click this dedicated domain and IP button. And then you would go ahead and add a domain. And then it would look a little bit like this. And you'll have to give it a subdomain, preferably like LC or MG for LC for lead connector, MG for mailgun.yourdomainname.com. So if I do that real quick and I put yourdomainname.com in here, hit add and verify, a dialog is going to pop up. And in that dialog, it's going to want to add this domain automatically. If I click continue, I prefer to add record manually. When you do that, you'll be presented with the records you need to create for your DNS inside of your registrar where your domain name is hosted, or wherever you have DNS services such as Cloudflare or something similar. So what you need to do next is just follow the directions. You need to create a record that corresponds to each one of these that's shown here inside of your DNS. So you need a TXT record for the DKIM record, which is what this one is. So you would copy the host and then copy the required value. And you would paste them in your DNS records. Then you would get the next TXT record, you would copy this, paste it into your record, and then copy the SPF record or value. Then you would create a CNAME record that is shown here, and then your two MX records that are shown here. And they'll look a little bit like this inside of Namecheap if you're using Namecheap. So what we've done in Namecheap is we've created the CNAME record that this .lc would be whatever subdomain you decide to use. So it might be .mg, or it might be something else completely, and then it points to mailgun.org. Then the other one we need is the TXT record right here. LC is the host. Again, that LC might be MG or something else entirely. And then the value is the value I copied and pasted, which is V equals SPF1. So that's your SPF record. And then the next one is the TXT record here, which is your DKIM record. So you would copy and paste that value in here. Again, .lc might be .mg or something else that you decide to use. And then you'll paste in the value as well here. Then you'll also create your two MX records. So MX record number one, the host is going to be, again, whatever your subdomain is. It might be LC, it might be MG, it might be something else. Your value is going to be copied and pasted in here, which is mxa.mailgun.org. You'll set the priority to 10. The time to live, I like to use the lowest value possible, which is 1 minute at Namecheap. Then you'll do a second MX record, which will have the same host. It'll use the same value, but it'll be MXB instead of A. And then you can have the priority be 20 or some other number. And then the time to live, 1 minute. Now, you see I have an extra record in here for DMARC, and that is because that's a new record that HighLevel has not included in this dialog. It's not showing here. But once you add your domain here, like if I click on verify records, it's going to try to verify these records are not going to exist. But you see there's a last record here. It's another TXT record, DMARC_DMARC.lc. This is your DMARC record, and this is the value that you need to add. And of course, this field was not in that list, so you will not have it until you've actually clicked verify, and then you'll see it here, or if you're watching this video, you can create it from watching what I show you here. So we go back to our DNS records. We already created it, _dmark.lc is host, and then we pasted in v equals dmark1, semicolon p equals none, semicolon, made it 1 minute time to live. Now that you have all those records in there, once they are all in there for your domain and everything is verified, you'll click the verify button again over here on the right until you see it says all green. So we go back to my other one that's already in here, which I'm using, lc.securetrainingonline. If I click these 3 dots, I can go verified domain, and all of these should be green, and they are green, and they say verified. So once you have that done, then when you send any email outside of this HighLevel account that goes out from a workflow or a campaign, you should end up in the primary inbox or perhaps the promotions folder, but you should not end up in the spam folder if all this is done correctly. So this is how to get HighLevel emails from not landing in the spam folder. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. If you do, please leave them below this video in the comments section. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive the HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines A.I, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines A.I SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines A.I actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines A.I at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the 823.10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. And I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.